machine. Now we have inquired with the staff at MAPSA, we have inquired in Margaon, in the post office, and we have found that already the machine with less than 6 months are giving two types of faults. One, the notes which are being inserted in the machine keep jumping out. And the second thing, they are giving inaccurate calculations. So if you put 100 notes, it will count as 98. The losses that will occur due to the use of these fake machines will not only be on the staff of the post office, but also the consumers. And then this will result in fights between the staff and the consumers. To inquire how these machines have been supplied in the post offices of Goa, we would like to pursue the matter with the Director of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs to find out how many such machines have been put in various departments or public institutions. As also we will be taking up the matter with the postal authorities to find out whether any irregularities were involved in the supply of these machines. We would like to alert the consumers that these machines are meant to only count the currency. It cannot detect fake notes.